Hey YouTube, it's Danielle here, and today we're going to be diving deep into what's really good with House of CB. Of one of my fastly growing favorite brands, items I've been rocking and looks I put together, as well as a few new pieces I'm waiting for the occasion to wear. House of CB is an online brand, so it's houseofcb.com, an online UK clothing retailer. They do have a few brick and mortar stores in the UK, in London, so, well, I don't even know where, all over London, all over the UK, and I'm sure coming fastly to more stores near you. But mainly it's just an online retailer. That's how they started, that's how they gained popularity, and that's how I know about them. I shop House of CB online. The biggest disclaimer about this video is that this is by no means a haul. This is like an accumulation of items I've picked up here and there over, a period of time and a few paychecks, okay? Don't look at this video as like one big haul of all these things at once. House of CB is by no means a bargain brand. When you get the item, you realize it's that construction that makes that model look so great, and therefore you are going to look so great, and that fabric is going to look expensive, and you are going to look bossy. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with some newer pieces that I have yet to wear out, and other than that, it's just going to be, a little review of things that I've worn, outfits that I've styled wearing House of CB. And that's definitely including this top here, so let me show it off for you a little bit. This is my newest purchase from House of CB. It's actually from their Valentine's collection, vintage Valentine Day collection that's coming up, that's on the website right now. So like I said, I'm just gonna dive into some of the items. First on the pile here is the Florentina dress. This dress is so crazy. I think this is like one of House of CB's most popular dresses in 2018 because Kylie wore it. So Kylie Jenner was seen wearing this dress, and I think it just made it go crazy. It is so simple yet so sexy. It's a tube dress with tiny little spaghetti string straps. It's mesh, ruched mesh over a lining. It gives that little detail of seeing the little cupped bodice. Tell me this dress does not put you in the mind of Dolce & Gabbana. So flattering, figure hugging, the ruching kind of hides what you want it to hide and shows off what you want to show off, and it hugs your body so well. So next up for dresses is the Francesca. It is a bandage dress, which is actually what House of CB is kind of known for. That's, where they started. That's what they were known for. And this, oh my gosh, this dress right here with this bust line detail, this is everything. And the skin color, it is so nice. And this is like such thick bandage. Yeah, it's got some weight to it. So that is the Francesca dress, and that is in nude and tan and mocha, you never know. But that's it in the skin color option, and of course I had to get it in black, guys. So this is the Francesca bandage dress. Francesca black draped bandage dress, and this is also in a size large. This dress in black is out cold. So this is the black bandage Francesca dress. I don't know if you've ever noticed when you buy two things of different colors, I feel like the black one is a little tighter. I feel like it's squeezing me in a little more. It's gonna look so good on so many occasions. So next, oh man, this top is so beautiful. The lace, the detail, the ruffling goes all the way around. This is the Anaya beige ruffle plunge bodysuit, and it is definitely plunging. The ruffling, if you strategically place it, that ruffling can cover your little bits that shouldn't show, but I think I'll definitely be wearing a little something over because it can easily move out of the way where you need it. I went to go try this on, and I'm a lotion person. I don't get out of the shower without putting lotion on. Like this chiffon-y whatever. this material is that kind that, like, if you stain it with oil, like it's not going to come out. You're going to see it, especially in this color, because this is not the original color of this bodysuit, let me tell you. But I got this thing greasy, so I had to just say, you know what, F it. This whole thing has to be greasy. So I infused this bodysuit with coconut oil so that it could be an even oil stainage, and I could continue to wear this bodysuit out and not have oil stains. So, you know, I think it's cool because it ended up being like skin tone on me, so it makes it even flirtier, and I love that. But yeah, this is not the color that bodysuit once was, but it is now. It's custom. So now let's move on to some looks that I've already styled. How I put these outfits together, a little outfit inspo, although in some of these outfits I just did it like they did on the website, because you know. Let's start out with the bang. Let's start out with the banger. Okay, this is my birthday outfit, you guys. This is the Donatella silver sparkly corset bustier, you guys. It's upside down. Yes, this is the Donatella bustier. It is so amazing. I love this. I'm so glad I wore this thing for my birthday. It was so perfect. So I paired this with some mom jeans and a black sheer blazer duster, and let me tell you, I was living my best. The boning in here, the fabric just sparkles for days. They could see you from the sun, like, and it's thick and it holds you in and it's comfortable. Like, it's not one of those uncomfortable, like, pokey things. Like, the boning in here is flexible. It's everywhere, so it's gonna hold this thing up all night. So I also got this in a size large, and it fits perfectly except for these little baby cups. I don't know. Yeah, so House of CB cups are definitely not, you know, made for me, but it's okay. I made it work. It was just a real busty night, that's all. But it was my birthday, so I was allowed. But yeah, I mean, I love this. If I could wear this on the daily, I would be wearing this thing to work. But then I'd be working a real different profession, so probably not. Next, from one party to another, let's go on to what I wore for New Year's. The Cassiana textured gold vegan leather pencil skirt. Honestly, this skirt is like, it has body built in, okay? I think I've been looking at this skirt for about a year on their website. And I'm always looking at it, but I'm like, where am I gonna wear that with this nice little cargo pocket? Like, where am I gonna wear it? But then I'm like, of course I'm gonna wear it, look at it. And I think it's when I had got one of the sales. Yeah, I think it was like 15% off in an email, and I was like, okay, I'm getting that. It arrived by New Year's, so that was my New Year's outfit. But yeah, I love this one. So next up is the Clara white sheer lace high neck blouse. Here it is. Oh, I love this blouse. I'm gonna be wearing this so much. Oh yeah, it is all sheer lace everywhere. The back has a little cutout. The lace is so soft, stretchy, and delicate. Like, this is nice lace, and it's not that lace that's like easily ripped or snagged, so it's gonna definitely last me. So for this shirt, I paired it with some Fashion Nova jeans, girl, and a little bralette under it, and I was good to go, okay? The only thing I'll say is, you know what happens with high neck and white on the top. It definitely collected a lot of my foundation from that night, but as you can see it now, or maybe you can, maybe you can't, but it easily came out. I just went ahead and pre-treated it with some stain remover, and now it's gone. Okay, and what's next? The last few things I'm going to show you, I'll just show you pictures of. There's a story behind this dress too. So the Dominique dress is so beautiful. It is a thick crepe bodycon pencil dress, long sleeve pencil dress with a plunging neckline. I love this dress, you guys. This was the first dress I ever bought from House of CB, and this was a couple years back, And I had seen this dress kind of everywhere. A lot of people wore this dress. A lot of little celebrities and hosts and stuff. I stalked a dress because I loved it so much. It's my favorite color of pink. I found it too late. It was always sold out. I just went everywhere trying to find this. I tried to find it like on eBay. I tried to find it all over, wherever you can go to try and find things. No one was selling it, no one was giving it up, and if they were small. I went and tried to hire somebody to have this dress made. So she was like, okay, and she had her whole little sketches and sheets, and I don't think she was ever gonna make me that dress. I found the dress on Depop. Somebody had it and she was selling it. She was like, I'm gonna go out and have it dry cleaned for you and I'll send it to you tomorrow. And I mean, I'm so grateful to her. This dress and the bustier, they're tied for my heart. That was the story of the pink Dominique dress. Okay, and lastly, I have 2 items for you, and this is just a little look I put together. No, just kidding, not really. This is one of House of CB's newer things, is their loungewear collection. The collection is just, so cute. It's so soft, romantic, like all those vibes, cozy vibes, right? So this look is the Kalani Gray Soft Loungewear Jumpsuit. Baby, this jumpsuit is everything, and it's got to be like the cheapest thing on the website. So this is just like a nice gray sweat kind of legging like jumpsuit with a really like a, I don't know, it's got like a underwired cup to where it looks like it's like a bodysuit in leggings, but it's all one piece, and I love it. It's so freaking comfortable. It's so long, it's so thick, it's so stretchy, it's perfect. And I paired it with the Celine cardigan. The Celine off-white chenille slouchy cardigan. Is that how you say chenille? I never knew. Anyway, so this cardigan is so soft, cozy, comfortable, long, oversized. Like, I didn't think I was going to get that when I got the cardigan. I just thought it was going to be like a little cotton cardigan that was, drapey and good, thick House of CB quality. But no, this was like teddy bear coat, like those sweaters from like the 90s. It's so slouchy and just, it's almost like editorial. Like this cardigan is like the way you would style a cardigan for like a blog shot, but it's just like that when you put it on. It goes so cute with the jumpsuit and so cute with so many things. Like this cardigan and light wash denim they go together like peanut butter and jelly, and it looks so good on me. I wore this thing Christmas Day. I wore this thing to a work event, to a Pistons game, to friends, my little niece's birthday. Like, I'll wear this anytime. You can grab it and go and put it with anything. I love the Celine cardigan. It's just so cute. And yeah, this top is like my new favorite. I am in love with so many things from their Valentine's Day collection. There's 2 more launches to the Valentine's Day collection. They drop new things on Mondays. I'm just saying, go check them out. I hope I answered most questions about House of CB, especially House of CB for like a thick, curvy girl like myself and like maybe some of you. Like House of CB, it's definitely cut for curves, but it fits all shapes and sizes. They do only go up to like XX, and they have a L plus. I guess that's their newer sizing and wording for their above the average plus size garments, which I think is really cute. I like L plus. House of CB definitely cuts generously. I'm like a size 12. I'm like between 5'7" and 5'8", and I fit into a large well. To get that, like, I don't know if you ever, like, when back in the day when we wore the BCBG bandage skirts all the time. Like, you would get like the size or two, well, I would get the size down to like really pull you in and really shape you and make it really tight. So sometimes you get in that mind with House of CB. I don't actually recommend it if you are large. If you're large, I wouldn't well, no, I don't recommend it if you're my size or bigger. I think you should, you know, stick to your size based on their size chart. But yeah, they cut their clothes generously. They cut their clothes for a woman with a figure or a woman who might want a figure, because I think their clothes can also add curves where they're lacking. They're just flattering. They're really flattering. They're really worth it, and they're sexy, and they definitely were made with a woman in mind. And I love House of CB. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative enough for you to feel comfortable making a purchase, or, you know, knowing what's out there. So thanks so much for watching again. Can't wait to see you in the new video. Continue to have a prosperous 2019, and I will see you very soon. Love you. Bye. I don't know. I'm starting to feel like this is cute. Maybe I should have done the whole video with the side pony. I'm channeling angel love. Bye.